Zontes 2026 Series 368 and 703 model. Vehicle Instrument Upgrade Tutorial. Preparation before upgrade. 1. Turn off other Wi-Fi networks on the phone and only enable the Wi-Fi switch. 2. Turn on the phone's location services. 3. Ensure the vehicle has sufficient power. It is recommended to upgrade while the engine is idling. Press the power button to turn on the vehicle. Operate the 5-button keys to open the main menu of the instrument display. Switch the theme to Theme 4. Open the Zontes Smart app on the phone. Click Service over-the-air Instrument Upgrade. Click the top right corner to scan the QR code on the instrument. Choose the latest firmware that matches the vehicle. Click Download. After the download is complete, click Connect if connection fails. Click multiple times until successful. Click Upgrade the instrument displays receiving files. Do not exit during the upgrade. The vehicle must not lose power. The instrument displays file installation complete. The app can be exited. The instrument will automatically restart once. After restart, the instrument shows verification success and file writing. After completion, the instrument will automatically restart again. Operate the 5-button keys to enter the main menu. Vehicle Information Version Information. Check the instrument version if consistent. The upgrade is complete. After checking, you can switch back to the original theme. Tutorial ends. Thank you for watching.
I'm coming for the throne.